Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a robotic vacuum and mop by DREAME. And this is DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2 robot vacuum and mop with auto empty and mop self-cleaning. And guys, my favorite feature about this new robotic vacuum of mine by DREAME, it's definitely the MopExtend robot swing technology. This is a high technology this robot works with, and this technology helps the robot to reach to the darkest, deepest edges and corners of all around your house. Can be under your sofa, can be under your chairs, can be under your kitchen furniture, under your kitchen cabinets, and so very on. This is DREAME's signature automated cleaning technology that was developed by DREAME. This MopExtend robot swing technology is utilizing a mechanical arm for an advanced mop cleaning capabilities of the robot. It has a mop which is extending outside to achieve edge-to-edge cleaning results, as well as this extendable mop is dynamically maneuvers into a deep corners, effortlessly removing hidden and hard to reach debris. So guys, I cannot wait to tell you more about this robotic vacuum and mop. So let's get started with the detailed review, and we are gonna dive deep into the mop extending technology this robot works with. We're gonna start with that. So guys, let's get started with a detailed review of the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2 robot vacuum and mop with an auto empty and mop self-cleaning technology. It comes with a MopExtend robot swing high technology. That means that the robot is automatically using the high technology sensors, is recognizing when there is edges. So it has edge recognition, and as a result, it has an adjustable mop extension just to be able to navigate around tables, chairs, walls, corners, skirting boards, and so very on, to be able to clean these corners in the best possible way, so it actually can reach out to these corners thanks to the MopExtend robot swing technology. So it can reach into even the tightest spaces, and the mop extends up to 4 centimeters deep, which is effectively targeting hidden debris at the very darkest and deepest corners of your house. That type of a technology ensuring 165% of edge cleaning and successfully navigating around any type of edges. Now let's talk about the mopping system. So this robot works on the DuoScrub Mopping System. That means that it works with 2 rotatable mops, which these mops are spinning under firm pressure to thoroughly scrub your floors. So it's not just mopping your floors, it's actually scrubbing and washing your floors to leave them pristine clean. It has an automatic water and solution adding with the correct and best solution to water ratio, just to make the floors to be crystal clear. You can select the optimal mopping water level through the smart application from 32 adjustable settings, so you can choose whatever works for you. All that to suit any possible need out there of the user. Now, when the robot is going to navigate through edges or corners, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 is going to adjust the water discharge proportionally to minimize the water stains on the floor and to clean it correct and right. So it's not that you can just choose from 32 adjustable water settings through the smart application, but the robot can also automatically adjust the water supply to the mops by himself according to the situation of your floor. How amazing is that? Now let's talk about the vacuuming. This robot comes with an impressive 10,000 of PA strong suction ability for any type of a deep cleaning. Now, as higher the PA suction ability of the robot is, as better it is. 10,000 PA suction ability, it's an impressive and a fantastic feature of this robot. It works with a powerful Vormax Suction system high technology, which packs 10,000 of PA of suction power. So this robot provides a remarkable vacuuming, so it can vacuum any type of a human, pet hair. It's best on carpets. It can vacuum in any type of debris, and it doesn't matter if it's a lot of debris, a lot of dust, or less dust. It can do it all. It works with a floating rubber brush, which provides a manageable hair detangling while ultrasonic carpet recognition, and it also works with mop lifting technology. That all combined together to provide the best job on carpets and on any type type of hard floors. As a result, you will have no hair tangled on your floating brush. It's all made of silicone material, so the robot is easily picking up any type of a hair, even the long, tight, like tough human hair. Even if it's a lot of hair, it will easily pick up all type of a hair, and you will not see the hair on the brush. So that's an amazing type of technology. Now, attention, all the pet lovers, all the pet owners, this robot has a specially developed pet zone cleaning customization that you can define through the smart application. So you can activate a pet care mode for tailored cleaning around your furry friends. So if there is an area your pet is habitating at and you want the robot to clean at this area better, let's say you want this area to be cleaned twice, or you want this area to be cleaned at the max possible settings, at the max abilities of this robot, because usually the areas our pets are habitating around are full of pet hair, full of food, debris, water, dirt, and so very on. This is why this pet zone cleaning customization option is just a heaven and a must-have for every pet owner out there. So you can add pet furniture and you can identify pet areas for true cleaning. This feature doubles the cleaning in these spots to effectively gather pet hair and pet food debris or any other type of debris your pet brings in. We all know, pets, they're messy. Additionally, it is gonna adjust water volume during mopping for swift drying. That to ensure a pet-friendly environment for your furry friends. Then it works with an efficient dust and fur collection. So it comes with an auto station which is gonna free up your hands completely. And the auto station gonna automatically collect all the debris from the dustbin directly to the station, as well as it's gonna automatically boost the dust collection to capture pet hair. This robot works with a tri-cut brush height technology for easy hair detangling. So there is no need to manually untangling hair from your robot vacuum. The L10s Ultra Gen 2 has an innovative roller brush which features 3 sets of safety designed cutter heads that are automatically snip tangled hair and deposit it into the dust bag. The cutter heads only trim hair cuff in the comb teeth, ensuring that the carpets stay undamaged. So it's absolutely safe to use this robot on any type of your carpets. It won't ever damage your carpets, but it will definitely detangle the hair that your robot is going to collect from the carpets. And this is the way it was designed. So rest assured, it's extra safe for your carpets and there is no extra job that you need to do by detangling all this hair from your brush. The robot's going to do it for you. And now guys, since we are talking already about the fully automated station, guys, it's not just gonna automatically collect the debris from your dustbin to the robot. No, it's gonna automate your daily cleaning routine, and it's extra easy to use this robot because the station gonna do every possible thing for you. It has an automatic dust collection, automatic mop cleaning and drying, automatic water refilling, automatic solution addition. It's gonna also notify you through the smart application if there's any accessories of your robot that needs to be replaced or cleaned, as well as it's going to tell you when your robot needs to be cleaned, when the station needs to be cleaned, and so very on. It is all smart, clever, through the smart application going to notify you. So this is an all-in-one automated station for your robot that's going to do all the work instead of you, so you can enjoy your free time. This fully automated cleaning station is going to give you a hands-free up to 75 days with an auto empty of the dustbin. This is absolutely amazing. You even have the option to get the water hookup kit, so you can absolutely hook it up to your drain, and there's not going to be need to refill the clean water tank at your robot, as well as no need to empty the dirty water tank. It's going to do it all automatically for you. This robot also works with a customized carpet cleaning strategy, so you are welcome to create your own personal carpet cleaning routine. So you can choose up to 6 carpet cleaning methods and 3 modes. All this is available to give you any possible type of a scenario of cleaning to any type of various carpets out there. That's amazing if you are having a lot of carpets and you want them to stay cleaned. This robot will automatically raise its mops for up to 10.5 millimeters once it's gonna sense carpet underneath, that to not damage or wet your carpets. So it's an absolutely amazing feature. This robot comes with a high capacity of a battery. It's a 5200 milliampere battery, and it is providing a 30% faster charging, so you are never gonna run out of your battery. It's amazing at obstacle avoidance. It works with the smart Pathfinder and the 3D Adapt high technology. Also comes with a new 3D map high technology interaction capabilities, and it is creating an intelligent cleaning path. It's planning the path and the way it goes correctly, and has an excellent obstacle avoidance ability. It works with the Clean Genius high technology as well. So it is learning your home layouts, and it is creating cleaning strategies according to your home environment. All that automatically, and it is so easy to navigate and understand it all through the smart application. And it even works with voice control. So you can absolutely connect it to your Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, whatever, and just give your robot voice commands. Guys, thank you so much for watching this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think down below at the comments to this video of mine. Let me know, how do you clean your floors? Are you using robotic vacuums? And if you are using, then what are you using? Have you ever heard about DREAME? I've reviewed them here on my channel a few times. I reviewed a robotic pool cleaner by DREAME. They even flew me to Las Vegas for the CES 2025 event, as well as I have a few more reviews of the DREAME robotic vacuum and mops. You're welcome to go check them out. You're welcome to go learn more about these brands. And guys, I'm extra excited to review another excellent product by DREAME. I personally love this L10s robotic vacuum and mop because it is cleaning in a better way. It comes with an impressive 10,000 of PA suction ability, as well as I absolutely love the extendable mop that can reach out to all the edges. Guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check DREAME out. I will leave you all of the links, all of the coupon codes, discount codes, promotions, sales, every possible way to save some money of yours down below at the description box of this video of mine. There's definitely going to be a coupon code and a direct link to this product, so you are welcome to go check it out and maybe get it for yourself if you like it. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all for today. I'll see you all in my next videos. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I love you all. XOXO Valentine.